everyone, it's Tammy. I have one little thing from AliExpress. I was going to wait for some more, but I need to go ahead and open it because I want to see what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm glad that I did. It's washi. And I love how some of it comes in these little boxes, and look how just sweet they are. It's just so pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's these little banners, but it's super thin. So it's just tiny little washi. And it's the banner that just repeats over and over again in that really pretty watercolored green. So it's very nice. This is from AliExpress. And then this is the same with these little flowers on it. Try to show you a little bit so you can see. Oh, it's so pretty. That's so nice. I like it, I like it, I like it. And I like this thin washi sometimes, so it's great. And these thin washis were like 50 cents a roll. I'm not kidding. It was crazy. They are so inexpensive on AliExpress. Now, you do have to wait quite a while to get some of the things. This probably took a month to get, maybe even a little bit longer. Oh, this is pretty. So it looks like these flowers. And it's regular sized washi. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. Then I'm dying to see what this one is, if this is a little girl or... Oh, it is. Oh my goodness. And it's wide. I forgot about this. Now that I'm seeing it, I remember. It's just... And it says charming. Have a nice day. Charming. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different women on there. And they're just very pretty. Oh, that's cute. I don't know if I knew it was going to be so wide, but I don't really mind. It's kind of neat. And all of those kind of match. That's kind of pretty. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I just wanted to give you a little haul of what I got from AliExpress today. Thank you so very much. I'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.